korehitor.com, and we're here for another video. Ayan, mag-vlog na tayo ulit kasi napapagalitan ako sa bahay. Bakit hindi daw ako nag-upload ng mga bagong video? And sa likod ko, ang aking mga bodyguard, si Angelo at si Mon. It's 6:43 a.m. and we will be boarding the boat at 7 a.m. and we are bound for Corregidor Island.
Maganda.
With my good friend Angela. Siya yung kasama ko parati ngayon kapag may mga overnight trips. And here dito sa boat na to, merong assigned seats. So ayan, we're issued this sticker. I just want to let you guys know na sobrang excited ako about this trip because I've always wanted to go to this island. It's a very historical place, and you know, it's a great place to be reminded of the sacrifices of our heroes. Yeah. So yes, let's go. Have a welcome drink. Kuya, ano kuya? Pandan po. Thank you, kuya.
May halo
Free
na
po, free.
May halo?
Free.
May gin?
Wala po.
Ayoko, sige.
Naku, si teacher, puro inom ka lang. Teacher!
Welcome to Corregidor!
Anong tinuturo niyo, teacher? Charot.
Cocktails. Ganun.
Cheers!
First na tayo sa
Sam Corcaba.
Tara.
I'm Edward, your tour guide po. And of course, my partner here, Leo, one of the best driver in the island. Come on, Leo, stand up. Never mind the steering wheel. Leo is one of the best driver po in the island. He just got his driver's license yesterday.
Welcome to Corregidor! At the Malinta Tunnel, we will be watching the lights and sound show. Videotaping is strictly prohibited inside. I won't take any videos, so you will come here in Corregidor and see it for yourself. We just finished the lights and sound show of the Malinta Tunnel, and it was really interesting. Having our lunch, and we also have glasses of iced tea. Syempre excited na. Excited ka na, Tina, kumain ng lunch?
Yes, of course.
Rolling. May mga kasama ka
naman
na.
ako, my God.
Ha?
Tabi ko naman, ayan.
Ayan, kasama si ano. Si Jess. Ayaw mo sumama.
Bakit ito ako makain?
Yan ang forward.
Way na kung saan we are going to check what's inside. Medyo madilim.
Sobrang dilim. Wow, ang tapang niya.
Oh yeah. So dito nila naman tinatago.
Ang lamig! Ang lamig dito sa loob.
So dito na natin tinatago. Labas.
Joke lang.
Ayun. So, anyway, mamaya.
Joke lang, guys. Joke lang, guys. Ang lamig sa loob, no?
Tama lang, syempre.
Ang sarap nga eh, ang cool. Parang kung gusto mo
doon tayo,
tumambay,
pagkakataon
doon
sa
dapat. Dapat tumambay
Bell na
tayo
ba?
doon. Ang lamig, parang naka-aircon.
Saka sa koridor dahil malalaki ang kanyon.
May ganun talaga. We toured the island once again, pero this time we went to different sites naman. And then after the tour, we checked in here na dito sa Corregidor Inn, which according to our tour guide is the grandest hotel here in the island kasi it's the only hotel here in the island. And so far, makikita nyo sa video, maganda yung room. We heard that it's newly renovated. So, Angela and I are staying in a twin room. It's air-conditioned. And meron silang in-room sleepers, vault. And gusto ko rin na sa bathroom nila, ano siya, yung toiletries niya from Ilog Maria. Yes! Since this used to be an area for defense and puro mga military yung people dito, it's incorporated sa key nila. And their main logo is a monkey kasi maraming monkeys dito sa area. Actually, kanina when we were touring, ang dami kong nakitang monkeys. Kaya, saya. So far, the tours of Sun Cruises is well thought of. And they are the only tour operator here that offers packages. So, ang game plan is magpapahinga muna kami ni Angela tutulog, maliligaw, mag-freshen up because our next tour will start around 5 p.m. Kakagising ko lang. Ayan. And we're back at La Playa Restaurant. Apparently, meron kaming merienda since 3:30 p.m. Lugaw with tofu, ayan, egg and toyo. And ang aking favorite drink here, pandan. We're back at the Malinta Tunnel and we will be exploring other tunnels here. So wala nang lights and sound show and it's nighttime. Yes, so it will be interesting perspective on how they lived during nung World War II, diba? Yan. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo pa ako, guys. Pero this will be interesting. We're using a hard hat para just in case lang mauntog kami, 'di ba? Kasi may mga rocks and low yung mga rocks. So, 'yun, kayang-kaya. We are a lot, so it's not scary and I hope everyone joins the tour kasi this is going to be fun.
Some parts of these tunnels are quite low, so we will bend. I have one very important rule in entering those tunnels. Please do not fart.
Kuya Ed, kanina ka pa, ha? Kanina ka pa, Kuya Ed. Try mo nga, be. Sige, go. Sige.
Ano pwede allowed?
Hanggang doon sa pinakadulo.
Susumpa ako yung magsasara.
Sige, go. Siya lang. Ayan ang lakas ng loob ni Kurt. Rabi, tara. O sige na nga, enjoy na natin.
Check ko ano yung itsura ng boyfriend mo. Tingnan kung tatama ako.
Guwapo, pogi. Wala. Ang pogi ng boyfriend ko. Ha? Bakit? Ang pogi kaya ng boyfriend ko. Sige.
Hindi sila nag-aagay.
Pogi nga.
Nakikita ko nga. Nakikita ko nga.
Saan artista? Ay, pakita ko sa yung picture, pogi. Sa ABC.
Tingin.
Sige, mamaya. RPN. Uy, Angelo, di ba pogi boyfriend ko?
Again, teka.
Love it.
Wala, naka-record.
Ano naman? Oo naman. Oo daw.
Naka-record kasi.
Ano ba nagsa?
Oo na nga eh.
Hindi ko nga ma-distinguish kung ano eh. Kasi may nagsabing pogi, may nagsabing hindi. Pero ano...
Sakto lang.
Oo naman.
Saktong pogi. Pero pogi-pogi sa akin.
Proud.
Pero na nag-iwalis lang. Pangit naman nila.
Taba-taba.
Paano ko guwapo? Sino mo guwapo? Good morning, guys! So, after our dinner last night, kami ay nag-mini concert. Sumayaw-sayaw kami. Nakita nyo naman, in-insert ko dyan. And, we woke up early. Yon, on time kami. For the sunrise. Kasi 5:55 a.m. ngayon yung sunrise. Hinabol namin. Ayan yung... Ayan. Ayan, no? Ayan yung sunrise. We'll be viewing the sunrise, and then after that, we'll be going next to the Japanese tunnels. So, last night, we went to the American tunnels, but today, we will be going to the Japanese tunnels. about to enter the Japanese tunnel. Ito, may dalagang Pilipina pala tayo.
You know how long?
Visiting a Japanese tunnel. We entered on this path and then we went around and dun kami lumabas dito sa path. And now it's time for Angela's favorite part of the day, breakfast! I'm having my breakfast with a nice view. So this is one of the perks of staying here in Corregidor overnight. So far, I'm having a great experience here. Here at Topside Garden Restaurant, and this is where people who avail their Corregidor Day tours have their lunch. And we're having our lunch, pero iba yung sa amin kasi yes, buffet rin, pero dun kami magla-lunch sa picnic table. Dito kami kumakain kasi mas masaya.
Sa outside restaurant.
Yeah, outside restaurant. Under a big, huge tree na sana walang... Oo, big na nga, huge pa.
Pakita mo.
So big, wow. So big! Sana walang mahulog
so big,
from
it's
there,
huge.
no?
The big,
Oo. And ito pa. Ang best part niyan, sa likod namin, yung mga ruins. Sakay kami 2 p.m. alas ng 2:30 p.m. and we'll be back in Manila at 4 p.m. Ito na siya eh.
Let's go home, guys. Bye, Corregidor.
So we're already aboard the Sun Cruise and pabalik na kami sa Manila. It was a short stay, pero sobrang sulit. It was a great experience and nag-enjoy talaga kami. And we learned more about Philippine history.